Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the child tax credit. Now, I've received so many questions on how this is going to work regarding the payments, how are they going to be divided for 2021 and 2022, when are they going to start, how much do you get? Girl, what about if I had a baby in 2021? So if you want to know all the tea and how you're going to get this money starting July, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friends. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me bringing this content to you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I enjoy doing it. Now let's go ahead and talk about the money, honey. All right, guys, so back in March, President Joe Biden decided to expand the child tax credit from $2,000 to $3,600. Now, it is still up to Congress to decide if this is going to be expanded to 2025, but what we do know is for each qualifying child under the age of 5, starting in July, they will receive $300 per month, and then for children between the ages of 6 through 17, they will receive $250 per month for the next 6 months, and then the remainder amount would be paid out when parents go to file their 2021 taxes in 2022. Now, of course, it's going to be calculated based on your income, and a lot of people are like, girl, wait, does everyone qualify for this? Now, one caveat is this, guys. One, you and your child both must be a U.S. citizen with a social security number, and it's going to be calculated based on your child's age at the end of December 31st of 2021. Meaning, so say if your child right now is 5 years old, but at some point during this year, they will turn 6, then honey, you will not get $300 per month. You would get the $250 per month because they would be between the age of 6 through 17. Now, let me go ahead and put this out there, guys. You do not have to get the monthly payments as well. You can decide that, you know what, I'd rather have a lump sum amount come when I go to file my taxes, and that is okay. We know that the IRS right now is creating a portal that will allow parents to go ahead and either opt for one lump sum payment in February when you file your taxes, or you can go ahead and opt for the monthly payments. The decision is up to you, but one of the main things that I want you to take away is that your child's age will be based on what age they will turn this year in 2021. So hopefully that lets you know. So if you're going to get $250 or $300, I know you're like, girl, Shalae, is there a start date just yet? Like, when is this going to happen? Are we going to get the money like July 1st, July 15th, July 30th? Now, the IRS has yet to release the details on if there's going to be like a standing date each month that you get it, or if they're going to break it down, just say by the last 4 of your social security number or your last name. They have no details, but what we do know is that the checks are set to arrive on a monthly system through December. So it won't be like every 2 months. You will get it monthly. Now, the IRS is supposed to launch this portal at the end of June and on July 1st. Now, according to the IRS Commissioner Reddick, he's like, hey, there is going to be a lot of kinks in there. They won't have all these resources to build it until once the tax season ends, which is on May 17th. So what I need you guys to do is to make sure when you're filing your taxes this year, you need to make sure that you have all your children included, your dependents. This is not the time to let people go ahead and claim your child, because if they claim your child now, they are able to get that child tax credit. Now, a lot of people are asking like, Shalae, what about if I have a baby this year? Will I be able to go ahead and get my child tax credit? Yes, you will. Now, according to the IRS, once this portal is set up, if you have dependents, whether you adopt them, you have a child this year, you would be able to log into the portal, go ahead and upload that information. But remember, guys, even if you don't get your money this year, it's okay. You can always opt to get your money as a lump sum when you go to file your taxes. So it's not like you're going to lose out on any money at all. Let me go ahead and put that out there. You're still going to get your entire amount, but if you do have a baby this year, you will be entitled to get it. Now, one thing that a lot of people are not talking about is those between the ages of 18 through 24, you still qualify for a one-time $500 payment. Now, if you're between 19 and 24, you must be enrolled in college full time. So that's the thing. A lot of people are like, but what about my adult children? They can get something. It will be a $500 payment. But remember, the IRS also is going to give this money, guys, based on the bank account information that you have on file with them. So however you received your taxes, if it went into your direct express account, that is the way that you're supposed to receive your money. If you receive it by a paper check, that is the way that you're going to receive your money. So I would tell you this: once that portal is open up, if you don't want it, you can go in there and change your banking information. You can change it from a mailing address. You can do all those things as well. Or you can, even if you want to receive like a paper check as well. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask, like, what about if I receive like Social Security benefits like SSI, SSDI, or VA, or railroad recipients? Because normally you don't file taxes and you have a different delivery method. As of right now, the IRS is going back and forth on if the payments are going to be issued, because basically it's supposed to be based off your 2020 tax returns. So when you go to file your taxes next year, you can get the other end of the credit. Now, I don't know, because it's going back and forth. One minute they're saying that you won't qualify for the child tax credit, but then they're saying, hey, no, you will be able to qualify for it. So I'll keep you tuned in on that. A lot of people are asking about, what about if you have shared custody? How would this work as well? Now, when it comes to the shared custody, depending on if you alternate between years, like maybe your spouse or your ex-husband has the child this year and they were claimed, then they will be able to get the money, or maybe next year. But it is possible that one parent can get it, and if both parents get it, there may be like an overpayment involved. And this is not the time that you want to have like overpayment. So I don't know what you have to do to soothe things in your house, but you may want to reach out and try to be cordial. That way everyone is on the same page on, are we going to split the money? Are we going to give the money to the child? How are we going to do this? But when it comes to like pretty much the custodial issues, yes, you can get it. Then I had a lot of people asking about, what about child support? Can child support payments be intercepted for the child tax credit? And as of right now, no. If you owe back child support, that you still will be able to get your child tax credit payments, because remember, this is not a stimulus payment. Debt, like if you owe any creditors, they cannot get this money, because this is just an advance on your tax credit that you will file in February. And normally they don't take that money either. So you don't have to worry about creditors. You don't have to worry about if you owe child support at all as well. Now, guys, don't forget there is an income requirement for the child tax credit, and payments can be phased out if you earn less than, you must earn less than $75,000 for individual taxpayers, $112,500 for head of households, and then $150,000 for married couples. But the main takeaway from this video is this: no matter what, if you have a child that's in college and they're between the ages of 1 and 24, I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to make sure that you have all your affairs in order when it comes to filing taxes, because they can be entitled some money. Now, if you decide to get a lump sum or monthly payments, that's completely up to you. But I want to make sure that you are keeping your eye on the prize on getting this monthly money starting in July. And not only that, there's a lot of other things going on in the tax world, such as they are doing where you can get up to $16,000 back in child care credits. And I mean, these are credits from if your child goes to like after school care, daycare, day camps, babysitter. So they're doing this now. Mind you, you cannot file this information until you go to file your taxes in 2022 for 2021, but they have even expanded that if you have one child, you can claim up to $8,000 in daycare fees, and then for multiple children, they will give you a $16,000 credit. So when I tell you there's a lot of changes going on, there's a lot of money out here, you're just gonna have to keep tuning in, okay? Every single day, honey, or every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. How about that? You're just gonna have to tune in, because I am going to show you how to get this money legally, okay? But let me know, are you excited about the child tax credit down below? What do you plan to do with this additional money? Are you going to do a lump sum, or are you going to get the monthly payments? And then for those that are on SSI, SSDI, VA, railroad, I'm going to continue to look at this and see what I can find on if you're going to be able to get your payments, or how you're going to be able to claim that as well. But if you can file taxes, that is the easiest way to ensure that you're going to get the money. And that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Can July get here quick enough? I mean, you talking about fireworks, honey. That's monthly money. I'm telling you, I would be celebrating. Okay, celebrate good times. Come on. Hey, let's celebrate. All right, guys, purchase my ebook and my planner, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Bye, guys.